Well, hi everyone. Welcome to my messy but convenient shop. I have everything I need at hand. So, today's project is our little Falk engine. I picked this up at a local hobby store. Picked this up at a local hobby store, and of course it was track powered. Now it's not. Now it's on a Train Engineer, and I've set up a Phoenix soundboard. I'm going to be cleaning it up, and it'll be driven by a Makita battery. Just a small speaker in it, but the electronics will be in this little vehicle, and the next car will have a battery in it. On top of the sound and the RC that I want to put in, I also am going to add a headlight. These engines did not normally have headlights, but this one works at night. So here's my headlight under the blue tape. So to get started, we're working with a small box car that I got from an estate sale, and we have to clean it up and add some detailed parts and make a few repairs. After the repairs, we start working on the wiring of the Revolution Train Engineer receiver board. From there, we'll be installing the speaker and then the Phoenix P8 soundboard. I do need to back up a little bit because I had a problem with the Revolution receiver board because it has a problem with the F2 function, which is normally the whistle. So I rerouted the whistle into an F3 position and left the F2 blank. The F2 would have been the bells. However, the bell always sounds when you're coming to a stop or taking off, so I'm not worried about that. It sounds great, and I like it as it is. I really think the longest portion of this job was the reprogramming of the P8 soundboard so that the F2 function was actually the F3 function. Without that, this would have been a lot quicker operation. But it all turned out well in the end, and we'll have a little test of this. Once we get a battery car built, we'll take it out onto the tracks and show you some of that. So that'll be on probably the next video when I get the battery car put together. We'll take this thing out and we'll try her on the tracks. But as for now, we'll give you a little sample of what she sounds like. So we have and the engineer. So she is a sweet little engine. I have a small light in it. I put the light in it. The lights didn't come with it. And reverse. And yeah, I've got a little work to do on it, but we're getting there.